What's going on, everyone? Welcome back again to day 3 of the 30 days ACFT training program. My name is Sam, so I'm a trainer. So I'm also a real estate agent in Colorado. So hope you guys are enjoying this workout program. If you guys are, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification. So for today's workout, since today is day 3 and I've already explained my introduction, during these first few days, we're going to be focusing on general training just to build those aerobic endurance. So today is going to be a form of Tabata workout. So this is how the workout is going to go. So there's going to be 20 seconds of just the general workout. Then there's going to be 15 seconds for the progression of the leg tuck. So we're going to start by building those grip strength, and we're going to continue to work on the core. So again, it's going to be 20 seconds walk, just a general exercise. Then there's going to be 15 seconds for the progression of leg tuck. All right, guys. So we are going to be doing the same exercise 3 times. The same exercise 3 times. So there's a total of 5 pairs of exercise. So I hope you guys are excited and ready for this one. Make sure you guys have water close to you, and I know you guys are ready. All right, guys, let's get it. All right, what you guys only need today is just a bar. It's just like a rack where you guys can hang. That's only the equipment you guys are going to need for today. Apart from that, the rest of the exercise is just going to be done just with the body. You guys ready? All right, let's get it. All right, so I got my timer ready. So the first exercise is going to be jumping jacks. So we're going to do jumping jacks for 20 seconds. Then after the 20 seconds elapse, then what you're going to do, you're just going to go up. We're working on the grip for the foot. We're just working the progression for the leg tuck. Just grab, make sure you wrap your thumb around your hand and just walk yourself down. If you can't hold this for 15 seconds, you can stop and just make sure you get back at it, building those grip strength. That's what we're going to do for the first 3 round of this first pair of exercise. You guys ready? All right. My timer is set for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jumping jacks. Let's go. Just go. Keep it going. Come on. Just for 20 seconds. So you got to be quick during the transition. My time is only going to give me 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go. Aim. Let's go. Work on that grip strength. Come on. Stay right here with me. 3, 2, 1. All right, drop. Let's go. Jumping jacks. Keep it going. Keep it going. 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 3. Come on. 2 and 1. Come on, get there. Get there. Let's go. Just aim. Walk on the grip. Walk on the grip. Time. Jumping jacks. Let's go. Let's go. So for this last one, we're going to be grabbing the bar, alternating grip, just as if you're doing the leg tuck. 3, 2, 1. All right, stop. Let's get it. Let's get it. Just like that. Make sure you fully extended all the way down. 3, 2, 1. Stop. All right, so the next exercise. The next one is going to be side lunges. So for the side lunges, so you're just going to set your feet just a little bit wider. Then what you're going to do, you're just going to sit back and just like that. Any question? Now, because you guys are not live. All right, I guess I'm used to just asking, do you guys have any questions? All right, you guys ready? It's gonna be the same, 20 seconds. Ready? If I can get it. Go, let's go. So this time, we're gonna grip, I'm gonna do some old leg tuck old. All right, let's get up there. All right, anchor, and just bring your leg a little bit up. Stay right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, come down, side lunges, let's go. Come on, keep it going. It's just like stretching the hamstring. 3, 2, 1. The same thing. Angle and leg tuck. Make sure you guys wrap your thumb around. Come on, keep it going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Side lunges, let's go. Keep it going, guys. 10 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. All right, hang. So this time, alternating grip and leg up. 3, 2, 1. Stop. All right, next one is going to be jump squat. So for the jump squat, it's going to look like this. We're going to squat and jump for 20 seconds. Then after you're done, you're just going to go to angle. It's going to be the same thing. So but this time, you're going to aim down, bring the leg up, hold, and just release. Bring the leg up, hold, and just release. Just for like 1 or 1.5 seconds. Let's work on the progression. Ready? Jump squat. Go. Make sure you guys are landing softly. 5, 4, 2, 1. All right, let's get it. And leg up, release. Leg up, release. Leg up, release. Leg up, time. Jump squat, let's go. Keep it going, guys, keep it going. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's get it. Angle and release, Wrap your thumb around. Build that grip strength. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Last one, jump squat. Five, 4, 3, 2, time. Left leg. Let's go. Bring the leg up. Release. Up. Release. Up. Release. Up. Release. Time. All right, next one. It's going to be forward lunge. Stationary forward lunge. So you're going to set your feet parallel and just coming forward and come back. Just like that. Then it's going to be the same angle. So this time, it's going to be leg tuck. So instead of holding, we're just going to do it fast. For the whole 10 seconds. Angle, leg tuck. Go, forward lunge, let's go. Keep your feet nice and parallel. 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, and let's go. Just face it, let's go. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice and slow. Time. Forward lunge, let's get it. Keep it going, guys, keep it going. Two, 1, all right. And alternating grip. Let's go, leg tuck. You don't have to pull your arm up. 2, 1. All right, forward lunge, let's go. Keep it going, keep it going. 2, and 1. All right, let's get it. Opposite grip. Leg tuck, let's go. You don't have to pull your hand. We're just working on the progression. Time. All right, last one. Last one. It's going to be incline push-up. So, I'm going to be doing that on this bench for my incline push-up. So, it's just going to look like this. Keeping the core nice and tight. So, you're just going to move. Keep the core nice and tight. And just slow for the whole 20 seconds. Just like that. Then for the end, what you're going to do, you're just going to end, opposite grip. We're going to do everything on this last 3 rounds. Last 3 rounds, opposite grip. Opposite grip. So what you're going to do, you're just going to wrap your hand, wrap your tongue, down, hold it. So you're going to hold it for the first round. Then the second round is going to be tuck, leg tuck. Then the third round is going to be leg tuck as well. You guys ready? All right, push up, let's go. Keeping the core nice and tight. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, and opposite grip. All right, bring it up and stay right here. Three, 2, 1. Stop. Push up. Let's go. Keep it going. Keep it going. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Opposite grip, leg tuck. Bring the knee in this time and extend. We're not pulling the arm this time. We're just working on progression. Time, push up, last one. Last one, get it going. Keep the core nice and tight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, last one. And leg tuck. Let's go. Wrap your arm. 2. All right. Woo! Great job, guys. Great job. Woo. I thought that was quite super easy when I was developing this, especially for this day 3. But you guys, just hang in there. Hang in there. This is just day 3. Day 3. How many days do we got more left? We still got a long day to go. So just stay focused, stay hydrated, and you guys are going, I know you guys are going to complete this program. I know you guys are going to complete this program. Again, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Support my channel, please support my channel. Let's continue to grow this channel. All right, guys, so I'm going to see you in day 4. All right, so what do you need for day 4? We're going to be utilizing kettlebell and dumbbell. Just that 2 stuff. That's what we're going to be utilizing on day 4. Again, kettlebell and dumbbell. All right, guys, so hit the like button if you guys are enjoying this 30 days workout program. Share this with your fellow friend, your fellow soldier, and you guys, we are going to ace the ACFT. All right, guys, signing out.